How to use phone as webcam for Windows 11. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search video.ninja. You'll find this kind of screen. In here, click on Add your camera to OBS. After that, in here, you'll find video source. Click on it and select the video source facing back or facing front. Then select audio source, no audio, speakerphone, default, or headset. You can also add digital video effects. Then add a password at the bottom. After you've added your password, press on Start at the top. After you start, at the top you'll find link. Simply copy the link and then in your PC, paste the same link on your Chrome. After you paste, you'll find phone's camera as webcam. And this is how to use phone as webcam for Windows 11. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.